Here is how to download and install Among Us on your PC or laptop. Follow the simple steps. First, you need to go ahead and open a web browser on your computer or your laptop, and then go to Epic Game website, which is epicgames.com, or you can also go to store.epicgames.com. Tap on Sign in the top right corner of your screen and log in to your specific account. Once you're logged in, use the search bar in the top left corner of the screen and simply search for Among Us application. Now tap on Among Us, scroll down and tap on Buy Now option, which is in the right-hand side of the screen, and complete the checkout process. After purchasing, click on Library on the left, find Among Us, and click on it. Choose where you want to install the game and click on Install in the bottom right. Allow the program to make changes to your computer if prompted, and once the installation is completed, click on Launch to start playing. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.